Oh, hey folks, welcome back to KEI Fabrication.
Alright folks, I'm going to take a bunch of stuff to the scrapyard today. Got that tractor that I replaced with another one I bought from the swap meet. That's the old fuel tank out of the Mazda that I crushed with the backhoe. Same thing with the air conditioner and an old stove that gave up the ghost. So just cleaning up the area a little bit and see if I can make all this fit in the back of the Mazda. I might have to take the ladder off and swing my crossbar out of the way. Those of you who haven't recognized it, these are the Crystal Alston door bar, NHRA door bar brackets, and man, do they work great as a crossbar for a utility rack. I just undo the pin, and then I have another of the tabs up here. When I swing it out of the way, it's just sitting there ready to use. So it works out really well. So let's see if I can get that tractor in and all this other junk. One experiment that's going to take place as a result of this is I did take out the helper leaf, or the main helper leaf, out of the spring stack. So we'll see how much, I don't know, that's probably 400 pounds worth of stuff. So we'll see how much this thing squats without that helper leaf. Alright, I got everything in there. You can see she's squatting pretty good. So it's only about 6 miles up the road, so that's not too bad. In case you're wondering how I got that in there, my trusty overhead hoist there, some straps, took some of the muscle out of it. Thankful to have that piece of equipment in my shop. Alright, I'm going to strap all this down and then we're headed off to the salvage yard. Alright, we're all strapped down. I got 2 straps on everything, and we're going to head back to the scrapyard. Here we go. Those of you who don't remember, this is exactly where the motor for this truck came from. Got 32 bucks for the load that I brought up today.
Alright, I got a tremendous amount of work to do here, so I'm going to start out slow and taper off.